Alright, this is the position for your cable routing on a Gl1100. Comes out, goes down, goes in between the forks. You can see it. These are the cables here, in between the forks. You can see a little bit better from this side. Let's see. They're the ones that are moving down there. Go in between the forks. Come back down through. Open up the false tank. And you can see down there, there's the adjustment nut. And they're going to run just to the right of the air cooler on the inside of the frame. And down to right here. And into your butterfly valve. As far as the choke cable, that one, again, running down through on the outside of the left fork, but through and underneath the right fork. I was a little beat up. This is it. And it runs on the outside and just on the underside of. Actually, that's not my choke cable. Sorry. There's the choke cable. And that one's running just to the inside of the frame. And then down to your choke. No, that's the clutch cable. Here's the choke cable. So yeah, I was right. This is my choke cable. That one that's beat up. That one's an easy route. Hopefully that helps you a little bit.